Good morning, this is Rizwan back again with another video. Today I will show you A to Z about Maltego. Maltego is an information gathering tool that gathers information in a large scale in regards to the target. So, as we know in penetration testing or ethical hacking lifecycle, information gathering can be a tedious process with tons of information to gather in terms of the target. And this is where the Maltego comes into the role, where it automates the process. In addition to that, it visualizes the data in such a way that we can understand and present the data or the information to the client. Maltego gathers the information that are in publicly available resources, but we must make sure that we perform the information gathering process within the scope that we have been provided, because not all the organization and institutions are same. They are different, and they could have their own customized scope and policies in terms of information gathering, and that could be dangerous in some cases. All that's been said, let's get started. I am in my Windows machine. So in my Kali machine, I have installed Maltego and I have all the transforms already installed. And in terms of installing transforms, it's a little bit tricky here. So in this case, like Cypher is asking for authorization. It's an API key. It doesn't allow me to install straightforward, as if I try to install case file entities, it will install straight away. It will not ask me any API key or nothing. This is already installed. This, I don't need this one. This might ask API key. So we got a couple of entities which ask for API key. The solution for this is to create an account in Shodan.io. If you log into your account, you will find API key here. So if you copy that API key and paste it on every transforms, it will accept this API. So like I install this one, I can install Kaspersky. It will install, it will take it. I don't know why it's taking, but we have bypassed the way of installation. So this is how I can install any of the transforms. You need to give trust. So let's get started. This is the place where we're gonna see all the information here, the view, the way we can align the working space, transforms, what are the transforms I have, machines, different, we can export or import files. Let's get started with the domain. Suppose if we get a domain, okay, so we need to drag and drop the domain here. So the domain they provided is Petrova, the website which maintains Maltego. For us, we need to get information legally. So HackerOne is a platform where hackers practice their knowledge and they get paid. So the companies, they allow the hackers to perform any kind of penetration testing. What are on the scope? If I go to first one, our Ghost. So in our Ghost, they are definitely scoping the domain for penetration testing. I can take the one, and that's legally I'm taking. It's nothing illegal. We need to check the disclosure policy. So we paste it here, and now the game started. If you press right click, first of all we can check the quick lookup below DNS from domain, website quick lookup, what it will do, it will probably give us a website. So here we can see output, what is going on. We got a website which is www.argos.net, and if we want to know whether this domain has its top level domain, and there might have different top level domain as well, so we can find that one very easily. It should be somewhere, yeah, domain, find other top level domain. We can, so now this will find out all the top level domains. So let's see what top level domain it got. It got argos.org, .de, .com, .ru. Two things we got. One is the website, and another is the different top level domain of the domain which we are searching for. Now we know a little bit of the infrastructure of that particular institution. If we go deep into it, we can find the IP address of this website. I don't know why it's not giving up. Meaning of two IP address is this website is being hosted in two different locations for serving the customers based on the location. We can find name servers on the domain. So if you find name server, we can NS. I'm basically just searching, look up NS for this domain. It will ask for just giving authorization. So now we got, these are the name servers of that. Okay, we can move these ones a little bit. Okay, so we got the name servers from Cloudflare, he.net. Yeah, so we can also find their MX, means mail server. Yeah, so we got their mail server as well. Here you go. So mail servers are in green, name servers in reddish color. We can try to, we can dig more into those name servers as well. Like we can check, is there any other websites on the same name server? Domain using this name server. So I want to know if any other domains using the same name server. So it will give me a bunch of websites if some of them are using same. Yeah, so the website using the same name servers are dirt, HD art, dfake art, different websites, and I can do the same to other name servers and other mail servers as well. So I don't want to go deep in all, just showing you with one name server. We can do NAT block of these IPs. We want to know the range of the IPs. That is called NAT block. So with NAT block using routing info, we try dedicated to this IP as name server. Let's do it using routing info. If we do it using routing info, we will find some of the range. We should find some range for this one. Let's find for this one as well. Okay, so the both IP addresses are showing that they have the same range of IP using the routing information. We can reverse the DNS of this net block and then find out what are the websites within the range they have. Okay, so let's see with who is play. This should give. Okay, so these are the name servers, I believe, under this net block, this IP range. So these are the telephone numbers, location, San Francisco. Here we can see it in different patterns. In this one, we can see in different angle. We can show to the clients in different ways, different graphs, in different. It's very nice. And here we can show what the color belongs to for what. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video.